Suite 501 is the home of SAP and the 49ers partnership for VIP guests, and vStream's cutting-edge technology takes pride of place in the world's most innovative stadium. Suite 501 is a premium space with live data activations built on SAP's in-memory database embedded into the wood finish furnishings. VIP guests are treated to a world's first experience that harnesses the power of SAP data through interactive multi-touch tables. By placing two team helmets on the table, a guest can access comparative data about those teams, with live, up-to-the-minute information even pertaining to the teams playing in Levi Stadium at that moment. Our interactive transparent display case features a scale 3D model of the stadium, allowing real-time data and stadium information to be overlaid using transparent screen technology. 5 specially commissioned high tables commemorating the 49ers Super Bowl wins feature small interactive cubes which illuminate the table. 2 sides of the cube also feature transparent screens displaying live data pertaining to the Super Bowl rings. Outside, vStream's augmented reality stadium experience provides fans with state-of-the-art AR glasses carrying live data streams to augment their view of the game in real time, creating a uniquely immersive experience on game day. The most technologically advanced stadium in the world embraces the future, but takes pride in the past in the 49ers Museum, where display cases featuring team memorabilia become augmented through the use of Hypebox technology. All technology and screens are controlled by vStream's cloud-based management backend, allowing for quick and easy content updates, and controlled in the suite through vStream's iPad management app. Suite 501 had a hugely successful launch at Levi Stadium, with VIP guests experiencing a powerful, exciting and unique installation which puts SAP at the heart of innovation in the tech capital of the world.